Hi, I'm Alice Sanvito. I'm a massage therapist in St. Louis, Missouri, and I'm going to be doing a brief demonstration of Russian circular heel of the hand friction. I'm doing this because I think it's really a great stroke, and I would like to share it with people. It's friction is done in Swedish massage, but it's not used very much. We use it quite a bit in Russian massage, and I especially like the heel of the hand circular friction. The heel of the hand, which is where we're going to be making our contact, it's firm, but it's not hard. And so you can get some firmness behind it for people who like some weight, but it's not hard. It's very comfortable. It's comfortable on the therapist and the client both. If you're doing it properly, it should not be overly stressful on your body. You do want to make sure that you don't overflex your wrist, so you want to keep it pretty open as you're doing it. But it's a really nice, very comfortable, very good stroke. Friction has certain characteristics to it, and what it's especially good for, it's very warming. And so if you're doing it properly, you will feel the skin become warm. It's very nice on muscles. When you have muscles that are kind of tight, that are tired, that are sore, this is a really, really nice stroke to use on them. You always want to work without pain, so you don't want to use so much weight behind it that you're causing any pain. It's a relaxing stroke. It's not as relaxing as effleurage and vibration, but it's still a relaxing stroke. And so you can incorporate this into general massage, and it will feel very good and help further the relaxation. But it's also very good on athletes. It's very good in remedial massage, anywhere where you have muscles that are tight and sore. First of all, I don't want very much oil when I'm doing friction, and I've actually already applied some oil, so I'm not going to put any more oil on. But I want a little bit of friction between my hand and the body. If I have too much oil, I'll just glide right over the skin, and that will take all the depth out of it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to start with my dominant hand. I'm going to put the heel of my hand on her skin, and I've got a little bit of weight behind it. I don't have to bear down on her, just enough weight to just get some good contact there. And I'm going to move my hand in a circular motion. And what I'm doing is, I'm not gliding over the skin with the heel of my hand. I'm plastering the heel of my hand to her skin and moving the skin over the tissue underneath. And I'm incrementally working my way up. Now right now I'm focusing on the muscles on either side of her spine. But I'm incrementally moving. I'm moving about a ½ inch each time. I don't stay just in one spot, and I don't move wildly either. I want to move incrementally. And you'll notice I switched from one hand to the other. I'm using my right hand as I work my way up towards her spine, or up towards her head. And then I switch without breaking tempo to my left hand. What's nice about this is that this hand now gets a break. And these little rest periods actually will help you not get so tired, not get fatigued so quickly. I can use both hands. I don't do that very much. I'll sometimes do that towards the end, but this will get tiring quickly. And so mostly I predominantly will use one hand or the other. If I'm working with somebody who likes a lot of pressure, say an athlete, somebody very thickly built, and I want a little bit more weight behind it, I can put one hand on top of the other. In this manner, it's a little harder to switch, but I will. Friction is multi-directional. I can do it up or down. I can do it over the shoulders. I can do it over joints. I can do it over muscle. muscle, over joints, over tendons and ligaments. There's some strokes that, for instance, effleurage on the extremities we always do towards the heart, but friction is multi-directional. I always stop and start with a little bit of effleurage. I don't like to just start with friction and end with friction. I always do a little effleurage to begin and end. It's a nice beginning and ending.